Hey, I'm doing a video and I'm super tired. So I was cleaning my yard, putting my green stalks back together, as you see there too. And one's missing, that one's missing the top. I put that top on there. And then I put this one together. And then I put some mulch in them. And I still have that one to go. And to get all that stuff together and organized. But if you watch my other videos, you can see my garden. You can only imagine how bad it looked, because this morning, well, this afternoon, I had a busy afternoon. I picked up, because they were Mitch Max, I just had them stacked together, but they were growing stuff. And I brought this one in from outside. I brought this one in from, well, they're all outside now, but they were in another part of outside. And then I put them back together, because other videos they were together, but Mitch Max, but then I put them back together all in the same color. I was picking them up, carrying them all by myself. And I was carrying the mulch, putting the mulch in there. And I was mixing up the fertilizers, the perlite, and all that stuff. And moving the soil, because I was taking some soil out to add the mulch and stuff. And that stuff is heavy. And then I was planting stuff too. Yeah, I'm tired. So I'm going to take a break. But you can see how my garden's come along. Still messy, but there's more space. And I'm going to probably set the green one up later. And then once that's set up, because that's just mulch and soil right there. Mulch and soil. Then I'll get that shelf together and put some pots over either on the shelf or behind the shelf, or both. And that'll clear up a lot of space and it'll look more clear and clean. And then I still have a grow bag over there. I need to empty that out into a pot. I still have to plant my lime tree. I started planting some of my strawberries. They don't look that great, but hopefully they'll come back. And then that's a new pot I'm probably gonna put in front of my front door. And then I still have some grow bags over here I need to empty out. And I was putting stuff in the trash. And just have 2 pots left to plant. And this one, I'm not sure what I'm gonna plant in here, if I'm gonna buy a plant and put in there or what, but I was seed shopping online. But this is just a quick little update of my garden and what's going on. And I'm gonna go rest because I'm tired. I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. Bye.